today I'm going to show you how to do the Chamberlain zoom in and then face distortion effect on an iPhone. So all you need is the app Video Star. So you're going to go ahead and open it. And you're going to press the plus and press the format, click edit video. And you're going to import the video, and I'm just going to use a scene from Emma's video. Okay, so once you have it, you can trim it, and then press make video. And the app Video Star is free, but to do this, you need to buy the multi-layer thing. I don't remember how much it is, but yeah, I use it a lot for editing, so I really recommend it. So you're going to press this one, and then you're going to press on your clip, and then you're going to click edit keyframes. So as you can see this video, there's no zooming in it.
How are you?
So there's two different types. There can be a slow zoom, so it's like this.
How are you?
So this kind is it's zooming the whole time. And to do that, you're just going to go to the end of your clip and then slide all the way down to 200.
How are you?
And then you got it. But if you want a quick zoom, then what you can do is go to the end, click 200, and then go a few, tap on this bar a few times, and then bring this to 100. So it will look like this.
How are you?
So now I'm going to show you how to do the face distortion or whatever you want to call it. So you're going to go to new multi-layer clip. You're going to press the one, press your clip, and then go to layout and go down till you find distortion. So you see this and you're like, what? That's not what I want. So you're going to press this little thing, and it'll give you all the types of distortion. So there's this one.
How are you?
And there's
How are you? How are you?
It all really depends on where she is.
How are you?
Or where you are. If you're in the middle, you might want to do that one. But since Emma's to the side, I might want to do that one maybe.
How are you?
Whatever one you want to do. So yeah.